Hello, everybody. This is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, I'm excited, guys, because we actually reached 20,000 subscribers. I just wanted to take this moment to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, has given a thumbs up, has left their comments, their voice, their opinion in the comments to share this content. Thanks to those who encourage me to keep going and never to give up. Thank you to those who shared my videos and tried my recipes and gave us a good feedback. It means the world to me, guys. Thank you so much. So today we are making blueberry cream cheese cake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama we doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You are going to need yellow cake mix, cream cheese, blueberries, milk, and eggs. It's simple 5 ingredients, guys. First things first, place 1/4 cup dry cake mix in a medium bowl. Add blueberries and toss until well coated, then set aside. Next, in a medium bowl, beat cream cheese in large bowl with electric mixture on low speed for 1 minute until light and fluffy. Now add eggs one at a time, beaten well after each addition. Stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Next, add remaining dry cake mix alternately with milk, beginning and ending with cake mix. Beat 1 minute on medium speed until light and fluffy. Next, fold blueberry mixture into batter. Next, pour the mixture into prepared pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 to 60 minutes. or until toothpick inserted into center comes out clean. The cake is out of the oven, guys. We're gonna do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, that means our cake is done. Allow the cake to cool in a pan on wire rack for 10 minutes. Remove cake from pan, then remove parchment paper on cake. Cool completely on wire rack. Dust top with powdered sugar, and your cake is ready to be served. I hope you like this video, and please give it a like. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.